What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AUTOBAHN. My name is Max, and today we are taking a look at this Jeroen's Skoda with a 2.5 litre 5-cylinder engine swap. It was made for it. It's a shame they never built it like this. So there it is, 2.5 litre 5-cylinder from an RS3. Oh, jeez Louise, that thing picks up. So we also tested 100 to 200, of course, and we did like 5.8, which is crazy fast. So since that thing is very delayed, we're doing much more than this actually. That was 315 GPS. But it was more. BMW E46 with a V10. So there is the S85 V10. And it sounds like a freaking race car. I can hear it echoing. It is ridiculous. It's also spinning its wheels going into third gear there. Oh wow. Oh, that's fifth gear. Come on. How is that fifth gear and picks up like that? It is a 1993 Honda Civic, and this is the EG model. It has had a K20 A2 swap. So, as I said, it is a K20 A2 swap. So this is the engine from Honda Civic EP3. So you can like keep the RPM at 3 and then floor it, and then it stays there. But it doesn't really work because you just have a lot of wheel spin. And Martijn actually was able to do a 5.7 0 to 100, which I think is actually quite quick. Oh, listen to that engine. So we have a shift light, which is the engine warning light, basically the check engine light that comes on to let you know that you have to shift. There it goes. Listen to that thing scream! Holy shitballs! There we go, 6th gear. Absorbing those bumps. Oh, we're all ready. The speedo is gone. And it is not just any M135i. This thing is an S55 swapped M135i. So freaking cool. And it fits really well. It drives so well as well. It just feels like it's been made for this. This is a 1M. Sounds good. 0 to 100, 3.1 seconds is the quickest they've done. Oh. So stock, of course, 320 horsepower M135i. Now we've got 430 something around that. So 100 horsepower more, 100 plus. but it picks up really well. We also did a 100 to 200 measurement, which is on screen right now. That is 260. Robert's BMW 1 Series with a V8 engine swap. So there we go. The S65 V8 from an E92 with a massive supercharger on top. Okay, so on to the Autobahn we go. Oh my god. Wow. How does this work so well? Oh. And it does pull. It pulls hard. That's 300 on the speedo already. It sounds so good. Now, let me tell you, it might sound good in here, but you hear that like high-pitched, raspy V8 sound. On the outside, it's going to be epic. Martijn is on the bridge, filming. Look at it go! It's so fast. That's 330 on the speedo. We are here with Donovan's Toyota MR2 and it has a K swap. So it's got a K20 engine with a K24 head. Okay, we can open this one anyway. A precision turbo. That's a 6-second 100 to 200 and I'm not really even trying.
VW Golf 1 with a little tune and with an engine swap. Because here we have that 1.9 TDI engine I was talking about. But that is nice. Big torque. Could do with a realignment. It is such a fun car.